Oh, yeah! We've done it again, boys. So we got more parts. But no. It's not gonna be for the 86. It's actually going to be for the 986 right over there. And pretty much the plan is we're gonna have to move the 86 out. And we're gonna back the 986 into here, onto the Rhino ramps. And hopefully everything goes according to plan. So let's do it. Apparently my battery's dead. Yeah, this is the first time that this car has been outside in the rain with the new rims. Haven't really had the chance to drive it as much as I want to with the new rims on. And now it's gonna get dirty again, unfortunately. 7 days of rain, y'all. But I think it'll be fine because Saturday is supposed to be pretty good. I hope so, but we'll see how that goes. We're gonna see how good these are. Yeah, keep going. You're good right there. You're good. Still pretty tight fit. Need light. So unfortunately, we're missing the 13 because I dropped the 13 when we were messing with the XT. So we have to run to Lowe's to pick up a new 13. Alright, so this is why we're struggling so much. Look how rusted these are. And they're just snapping right off. That's the problem here. Look at that. How is that even safe? Because they're snapping right off, we're able to just force them out. So we don't have to do any cutting, fortunately. It's gonna be fun. Well, turns out I spoke too soon because now I have to go back to the hardware store to get a hacksaw. Good job. Man, I'm telling you guys, this weather just sucks. 7 more days of this. I need some cutting tools. Oh, could this work? You can see this. What's that? Okay, let's see. I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh, that's nice. This might work. Very nice. Hopefully this is everything that we need. All right, let me open it real quick. Oh man, that is nice quality too, man. Here you go. Hopefully this helps. Take one. All right, so here's the old header with the cap, and then that's the new header with the catalytic. We're gonna put that in with the new gasket. Okay, so we got one in. We're gonna see how that sounds like. Go ahead. Yeah, dude. so you guys, I'm currently editing the video that you're watching right now, and I'm aware that it doesn't have the best structure. I'm currently waiting for more parts to get here before I start uploading more on YouTube again. So I'm just going back through some old footages and trying to compile some videos for you guys. Before I do end this video and show you guys how the exhaust sounds, I do want to apologize. I was supposed to film a more in-depth video on how the exhaust sounds. It's going to be a few more weeks at the minimum before I can show you guys a comparison of how the exhaust sounds without the cap. So I will end this part here and let you guys listen to what I was able to get before crap went down for the 986. With that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video even though it was pretty messy. Thanks. God damn, so nice.